Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever, where fashion meets comfort. In this exciting video, I am going to show you how to elevate your summer style by pairing stunning toe nail polish with trendy sandals. Get ready to unleash your inner fashionista and step out confidently with polished feet that are sure to turn heads. So guys, if you are ready to transform your summer looks and strut confidently with fabulous toenail polish and sandals, hit that play button and join me in this exciting style journey. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you never miss an update on the latest fashion and beauty trends. So guys, feel the summer vibes with our catchy tune that will set the perfect atmosphere for a stylish nail adventure. From relaxing tropical beats to energetic pop out hand-picked music will keep your grooming while you perfect your pedicure skills. So get ready to elevate your summer styles and make a statement with your toes and sandals. Embrace your inner fashionista and let's create the most stunning and fashionable fit on the block. So guys, join my intricate community in the comment section where you can share your favorite nail polish colors, sandal styles, and even shows off your own creations. I love hearing from your viewers and value the sense of community our channel fosters. So guys, not only will we focus on the arts and designs, we also provide the practical tips to ensure your pedicure lasts longer and remains chic-free throughout your summer adventure. Proper nail cares and maintenance are essential to keep your toenails healthy and strong, especially when frequently exposing them in sandals. Learn how to maintain your pedicure with ease and enjoy your fashionable toes for weeks to come. So dear viewers, for those seeking a little extra flair nail art techniques and ideas, the collection of creating designs, unleashing your inner artist by mastering techniques like urban gradients, geometrics, patterns, floral motifs, and even cut cute summery fruits. We will provide you with the tips and tricks in this video, so keep watching this video till end. If you are a fan of this classic, we have got your cover. Discover how to achieve the perfect French pedicure with a twist. So guys, this video is all about the nail polish designs, foot to toe nail designs, unique nail arts with high heel sandals and flat shoes also. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to others, your friends and other family members to spread the styles and unique ideas to others. Thanks for watching. Take care.